Hey guys, here I am in the Wyoming test grounds, my backyard. Plenty of wind as always. I want to show you guys something that I thought this will be really quick, but I think it's really interesting. I have my Zpacks Plex Solo, and I bought a Gossamer Gear loft to put in here, a cargo. I actually don't know what it's called. And what I found out is if you put one toggle here and then a small string on this other end, you can go through this toggle and I can adjust the tension here. So real simple, I just tied it here, ran it through the loop, and then this has the 2 slots in it. So this is actually off of the umbrella thing that you can put on your backpack to hold an umbrella arm. So really impressed with how this turned out. So I could also put a string on this side and center it more, but it sits fine for me. I think that's gonna be fine regardless of which side my head is. So if you had like the Altaplex, this distance from here to here might be more, so all you'd have to do is put a string on both sides and then you could adjust it out. Hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Mark Williams of PapaBoiOutdoors, so please subscribe and like and ring the bell and do all those things and make me rich and famous, and thank you so much. However you need it to, but that was a really quick way to do that. Here I was thinking I was gonna have to glue some pads on it and put it where I wanted to, and I'm like, wait a minute, this fits in here beautifully, and that'll just pop right back out if I want it out. Just put that back through there and it'll come right out. Same with this side, I can just undo it. But it's just tied on right there. Goes around this loop once, boom, just like that. All right, still plenty windy out here. Just real quick, I was gonna show you a couple things I expect to get out of my way now that I have this up here. So I can drop in my earbuds and my headlamp. And I guess a lot of people drop their phone in and watch a movie right in through here, so imagine that's a possibility. I'm always too tired to watch a movie. I rarely even listen to music before I go to sleep because I'm so beat. But yeah, this is looking good. I'm really happy with it. So cha-ching! One more thing off my list of things to do before I take off on the PCT. Now I got to go out and try it a few times. That shouldn't affect its packing ability or anything. So yeah, pretty good stuff. We'll see you later.